Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, verify your ad account is active and billing is valid so campaigns can spend. Next, confirm the SDK or pixel is installed and reporting. Use debug mode or a tag assistant to see events. Once done, check for policy emails and domain verification, including app ads. TXT where applicable, because ad serving blocks often stem from payment or verification failures. Now dive into complex diagnostics and targeted fixes. Check each creative's review status and appeal disapprovals. A single disapproved ad can pause delivery. Then audit targeting, bids, pacing, and frequency caps, because overly narrow targets or low bids stop auctions. Make sure budgets meet minimum thresholds. Also inspect inventory filters, creative dimensions, load times, and consent or CMP settings. Slow or blocked creatives never enter auctions. Adjust settings incrementally and retest to isolate the root cause. Finish by validating fixes with live tests and monitoring. Run controlled test traffic, watch real-time logs and auction diagnostics to confirm impressions and bids are occurring. If visibility remains low, rotate creatives and gradually increase bid or budget rather than large jumps. Resume any paused assets. If problems persist, collect logs, screenshots, error messages, and campaign ID. Then contact platform support. This one tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.